Hello, this is Ankita and welcome back to my channel SAP Sphere. So today I'll be discussing about SAP ERP. I hope you all are aware of ERP and its terminology, which I have discussed in the last video. And in case if you don't have basic understanding of ERP system, you can go to my previous tutorial in order to have a clear or complete idea before starting with SAP. So in this video, I'll be covering what is SAP, Advantage, SAP Industries, SAP Modules, and in last I'll discuss about career in SAP. So let's begin to know about SAP. SAP is the world's largest software company in the world. It is a business software package that develops to integrate and implement all the areas of business in one system. It stands for System Applications and Product in Data Processing. SAP is a ERP software that is enterprise resource planning software, which is also called SAP ERP. SAP is a German company founded in 1972 by IBM engineers. They are Klaus Wellenreuter, Dietmar Hopp, Werner Hector, Hasso Plattner, and Klaus Scherer. These were the 5 former IBM employees who formed this company in Germany. SAP is a company whose products allow business to track customer and business interactions. And now I'll look over on advantages of SAP. SAP integrates all the information in one system. SAP software helps in reduction of inventory levels, cycle times, and also helps to increase productivity. This software enables better planning, scheduling, and tracking everything that is performing in an organization. It would allow duplicate data so the data can be accurate in the system. Data is too secure because no data or information is accessible by unauthorized user, and also it supports multi-currencies and languages. Now I'll discuss about SAP Industries. There are so many industries where SAP is being used for different lines of business. SAP ERP is used in industries related to retail, aerospace and defense, automotive, banking, chemicals, defense and security, engineering, construction and operations, healthcare, higher education and research, high-tech, industrial machinery, components, insurance, life sciences, media, milk products, mining, oil and gas, professional services, public sector, sports and entertainment, telecommunications, travel and transportations, utilities and wholesale distribution. So might be there are many more industries which I have missed out here. So these are the main industries where SAP has focused on. So now it's the time to discuss on SAP modules. SAP solutions include a number of modules which support transactions to execute key business processes. We can divide SAP modules in 2 categories. One is functional module and second one is technical module. So here is a list of functional modules: material management, sales and distribution, production planning, quality management, warehouse management, plant maintenance, supply chain management, human resources, financial accounting, and controlling. And if I'll talk about technical modules, there are 2 main modules, that is ABAP, Advanced Business Application Program, and second one is Basis. Now I'll brief you about all these modules one by one. First I'll talk about SAP MM, that is Material Management. SAP MM is a part of logistic functions and it helps in managing the procurement activities of an organization. SAP MM is one of the modules of SAP that deals with material management and inventory management. It deals with managing the materials and resources of an organization with the aim of accelerating productivity and reducing costs. So the primary goal of SAP MM is to make sure that materials are kept in proper quantities without any shortage of materials or any gaps in the supply chain process of the organization. It speeds up the procurement and material management activities, making the business run smoothly with complete time and cost efficiency. Now I'll talk about SAP SD, that is Sales and Distribution. SAP SD is one of the key components of SAP ERP system, and it is used to manage shipping, billing, selling, and transportation of products and services in an organization. It is a part of SAP Logistics module that manages customer relationship starting from raising a quotation to sales order and billing of the product or service. This module is closely integrated with other modules like SAP Material Management and SAP Production Planning. What is production planning? SAP Production Planning is one of the key modules in ERP and deals with planning processes such as capacity planning, material planning, execution of production order, bill of material, and goods movement. SAP Production Planning module handles the master data required for bill of materials activity, work center, and routing, and it keeps in a separate component. So after SAP Production Planning, we will move to the SAP QM, that is Quality Management. SAP QM is an integral part of logistic management, and it is used to perform quality functions such as quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control at various stages such as incoming material stage, in-process manufacturing process stage, and after production as well. Now let's talk about warehouse management. SAP Warehouse Management is used to efficiently manage inventory in the warehouse and for supporting processes of goods movement. It allows the company to control their warehouse inbound and outbound processes and movement of goods in the warehouse. The main process in a warehouse is incoming and outgoing materials, good receipt and good issue, fulfill customer orders, and distribution of goods. When a company doesn't store any goods, then there is no need of warehouse management to manage goods. SAP Warehouse Management is opposite to inventory management. Inventory management tells the count of goods in the storage location and its physical location is unknown. But in warehouse management, it deals with goods movement and monitoring the physical location of the goods recorded with specific documents. Now I'll move to SAP Plant Maintenance. SAP PM application component provides an organization with a tool for all maintenance activities to be performed. All the activities that are performed under maintenance are interconnected, and hence this module is closely integrated with other modules like production planning, material management, and sales and distribution. Using SAP PM, you can perform automatic repairs and facilitate maintenance requests in an organization. Now let's look over on SAP SCM. That is Supply Chain Management. SAP SCM is one of the key modules in SAP ERP which controls production planning, business forecasting, and demand planning. It helps the organization to manage their supply chain process in a dynamic environment. SAP SCM process helps suppliers, customers, manufacturers, business partners, and retailers connect with each other to manage supply chain process effectively and efficiently. It helps organizations to accelerate and optimize end-to-end procure-to-pay process. It's a complete software to cover the key processes such as supply chain networking, supply chain planning and coordination, and supply chain execution. Now I'll talk about SAP HR, that is Human Resources, and we also call it as SAP HCM, that is Human Capital Management. So SAP HR manages complete employee work cycle and payroll. It records the data from the hiring of an employee to its final termination in an organization. It stores the employee data such as designation, role, salary details, working shift, address, and so on. SAP HR, that is like Human Resource Management, it is also called Human Capital Management, and it is an important module in ERP SAP system that supports all the process of human resource management in an enterprise. And the last functional module I'm going to discuss about is SAP FICO, that is Finance, Accounting and Controlling. SAP FICO is a combination of two ERP modules which refers to Finance, Accounting and Controlling. SAP FI stands for Financial Accounting, and it is one of the important modules of SAP ERP. It is used to store the financial data of an organization. It helps to analyze the financial conditions of a company in the market. It can integrate with other SAP modules like SAP SD, that is Sales and Distribution, SAP Production Planning, SAP Material Management and Supply Chain Management, etc. SAP Controlling is another important SAP module offered to an organization. It supports coordination, monitoring and optimization of all the processes in an organization. It includes managing and configuring master data that covers cost and profit centers, internal orders and other cost elements and functional areas. So that was all short description about functional module which is somewhere integrated with each other. And at last I'll discuss about career in SAP. SAP is a great platform to make career, but yes, initially it's a bit difficult to get into SAP fields because usually companies hire for experienced people. Once you'll get the platform, you will definitely have a great career. So what I'll suggest you to make more command on SAP software, rather than going to theoretical approach, try to work and practice more and more on software. Try to figure out errors by your own. Learn SAP thoroughly and practice more on software. So what I believe, if you're a hard worker, you will definitely get SAP opportunities to create an amazing career. So once you will learn modules in SAP, you can move into different roles such as SAP Functional Consultant in different modules like SAP MM Consultant, SAP SD Consultant, SAP HCM Consultant, SAP HR Consultant, like that. And you can also go for SAP Technical Architect, SAP Solution Architect, SAP Portal Consultant, SAP Portal Developer, and ABAP people can go for SAP ABAP Application Developer, that is Design SAP Application. So there are so many companies providing these opportunities like SAP Labs, Accenture, TCS, Cognizant, IBM, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, KPMG. There are many more companies. So learn well, do well, all the very best. That's all for today's video. Thank you and have a good day.